To the third problem. The problem is big countries. The table is given world and it has a column name as name with a variable character, continent with a variable character, area as integer, population as integer type, GDP as big int. Name is the primary key column with the unique values for this table. Each row of this table gives information about the name of a country, the continent to which it belongs, its area, the population, and its GDP. So a country is a big if it has 3 million, 3 million area, it has a population of at least 25 million, or is the condition. Write a solution to find the name, population, and area of a big country. So return the result in any order. We don't care about the order. The resulting format is the following example. So let's see. Input is world table, which has a name, continent, area, population, and GDP. And the output has to be name, population, and area. And filtering condition is based on these two values of area being at least 3 million. That means 3 million or more. And a population is at least 20 million. That means 25 million or more. At least 25 million. So let's go ahead and write our solution. So we will do select and we want to get the name, population, and area. So we will say name, population, area. All right. From and the table name is called world. And we want to filter with the condition where area is greater than or equals to 3 million. 3 million or we have a population greater than or equals to 25 million. Okay. So let's go ahead, and order can be any order. So we don't give the order by clause. So let's go ahead and test this. And sure enough, we ran our solution in 197 milliseconds. And let's go ahead and submit the result as well. So we ran in 456 milliseconds. Let's look at some of other solutions. So population greater than or equal to 25 million and area this much from the world and this much here. So select name area from world where population 25 million or area is greater than 3 million. So and let's see the best. So select name, population, area from world where area is this much or population is this much. Yes. So in the next section, I'll be seeing you with the fourth SQL 50 problem.